Hey everybody, welcome to Lynn's World. Today we have an amazing, here's my sister. We have an amazing, another recipe that has come from my cookbook, and it is seafood scramble.
Let's put it up here so you can see, do it justice.
It's just so good. It's got green onions and eggs and spices and shrimp. It's so simple. It took
So is it, would you say that it's like a breakfast food?
I use it for breakfast, but you know what? A lot of people use it like fried rice, like for dinner.
Oh yeah,
fried rice.
Without the, could you have rice?
Well, you can't have rice on keto, but you could make cauliflower rice and you could add that to it. And I've done that too.
So it'd be like an omelet or a stir fry,
like
or just kind of create your own.
I just call
let's
it
dig in.
Scramble.
Let's get some. Get some, and then I'll get some, and then the taste test is the is the magic. You gotta taste test it, right?
Here.
Okay.
That looks amazing. Look at this.
All right, let's try it.
Eggs,
shrimp,
and
green onions.
Ooh,
delish.
That is really good.
Okay. We gotta display what's still in there. All right,
we got a mess going on here.
It's kind of a big bowl, so it takes up a lot of.
Well, you took all the shrimp.
Well, let's move it so they can see us.
Yeah.
You know what? Let's eat it right here. Yours. Look at this.
I'm gonna just finger yours. What do you think?
It's delicious.
Wouldn't that be a fast breakfast?
Yeah.
I would eat that for dinner though.
So green onions, eggs, shrimp.
That's it. And seasoning.
So it's like an omelet.
It is so easy, and you just scramble the eggs, and then you just take the eggs out, put some oil, like macadamia nut oil in there, and whip up those.
Healthy, delicious, good way to start your breakfast or dinner. I mean, there's no rules in my house. I'll eat breakfast for dinner.
Yeah, me
dinner
too.
for breakfast, leftovers.
But I'm all about easy, and I think a lot of people are all about easy because it's just, you know, I don't know. Now that we've had the quarantine, I hope people are cooking homemade for their families, and I don't know. What do you think?
Eating more at home.
Yeah, because I mean, I know you still can do Uber Eats and you can do Grubhub and whatever else. What do you see?
I see people.
Oh my gosh! See all those? All these people are walking.
I live in such a cool neighborhood. Everybody walks everywhere.
So nice.
They walk their dog. They walk their kids. They walk their whole family walks.
Everybody's getting a good exercise.
They live by a park. It's still and all these windows.
More of this. This is really
good.
Take that. This shrimp is so good. Look at that. Oh, whoa.
I mean, everything's better with shrimp in my eyes. If you don't like shrimp, what could they put in here?
Oh gosh, put chicken.
Because that's what I just thought about. What if somebody doesn't like shrimp? Corned beef, chicken.
You could put pork.
This is comfort food right here.
You could put whatever you want. You could put bacon.
Oh, you can.
You could put Canadian bacon. You can put whatever you want if you're not a seafood lover.
Delicious.
I just happen to be a seafood lover.
Oh, my nose just won't stop running.
I want this on the side here.
I think it's delicious.
Oh, it's so good. So easy. I could just, you know, I love food so much that I just kind of whip things up in my kitchen, and then I realize, wow, that was really good. And then I try to hurry up and write it down.
See, and with YouTube, everybody can see this and eat with us. So eat with us.
And I am one of those people that if I have a whole bunch of leftovers, I'll look in my fridge and I will just find a whole bunch of things and start whipping them up, and that becomes an amazing recipe for me. And that's how I've come up with a lot of these.
Right.
Because I cook all the time, and I just do not like to waste food.
No.
And so I just start
I used to do the same thing when I had a family. So now that I live alone, I'm like,
you like somebody. You like me cooking for you.
I like you to cook. I stopped cooking for a while, and I just.
But you've been doing pretty good in this house, don't you think?
Yeah, I made a couple videos on my channel.
Yeah, I've seen you.
I made a hamburger, and I made a hamburger, and I made something else. I forget what I made. Oh, a stir fry.
I think you've been doing breakfast and stuff too. Yeah. But speaking of hamburger, I even have a hamburger in this cookbook. I have a hamburger with a bun, and a hot dog with a bun, and lobster rolls with a bun.
Ooh, lobster rolls are what we should do.
I know lobster is kind of, especially in this time, but sometimes you girls and boys, you gotta splurge, right?
Yeah, you have to.
And it's so easy because my hot dog buns become meatloaf, Italian meatloaf buns, and they become lobster roll buns, and they become hot dog buns. Whatever the heck you can think of, so easy, and you can eat a lot of bread in keto.
Food is just comfort. We all have to eat food, and so if you don't treat food as an enemy, you're going to be just fine.
This is very filling. I made just one. I made the recipe from the cookbook, so it was just one serving, and we shared it.
Yeah, but
isn't that
filling. Eggs are really filling to me.
It's got also the avocado oil in it. I fried the eggs in the avocado oil, so you get in the right oil, so you feel kind of full during the day. So anyway.
Well, thank you for sharing.
Thank
you for cooking for me. I loved it.
Oh, I love
you
cooking.
guys. Thanks
I hope
for
you guys
watching.
enjoy this cookbook. If you decide to get it, all these recipes are in it, and just click that bell above. Don't miss my recipes. We're going to be cooking forever. Bye.